Hey guys, Snowflake Nice 2 here, and this video is about me informing you all about something. It is an issue, it's growing bigger and bigger, and I feel this is important to talk about. But yeah, so Snowflake Nice 2 here, and what I need to talk to you about is, well, you all know how recently I got a black phone caller. And don't get me wrong, I'm super proud. I'm very happy that I have it. But I'm also really disappointed that I have to deal with what I'm dealing with. People are buddying me just because I have a black phone caller. I get it, you want a black phone caller, but that's not the reason that you should buddy me. You buddy me because you like me for who I am, not for my stuff. You buddy me, or you buddy me because you just like me. Or you buddy me because you want to be friends with me. Or you buddy me because you watch my videos and you think I'm cool. I don't know, something. But you certainly do not buddy me because I have a black phone. And see, you can trade for it. Like, I'll let you trade once or twice. But I don't want you coming to my den and being like, what for Black Long all the time, and being like, put Black Long on trade all the time. Like, I don't want to. I've got other things to do. I've got better and other things to do. Sometimes I really feel like I should just wear a heart locket instead, or like a necklace. No, a heart locket instead of my black phone collar all the time and never wear it, because every time someone sees it, they just freak. They're like, oh, what for black song? And someone recently, again, this happened. This person recently bullied me, then went to my den, and then said, headdress and black and my collar, which was a black short collar, for yours. I said, no thank you. And they're like, oh please. I'm like, it's just, oh god. And then they just, and I'm pretty sure that's the only reason why they buddied me. I know this isn't a nice thing to do, but this person only buddied me for my items. Okay, this person only buddy me so then they can come to my den and offer. So I'm gonna unbuddy them. That's the best thing to do, because this person just doesn't want to be buddies with me for any good reason. They just want to be buddies with me so they can come to my den and offer for my black phone. And I don't like that. Okay? I really don't like that. It makes me feel very just uncomfortable. Is that the only reason why people are bullying me these days? Honestly, it's just, this person is probably one of my idols in this game. And yeah. 42 Danielle, basically, when she comes on, anytime she comes on, mainly what she does, she either comes to my den or where I am, or I go to her den, and we just joke around and we have some fun, and that's what this game is about. But people are too obsessive of items, and I don't really like that. Because you're not getting the point of the game. And where's the fun in that? But yeah, I hope this helps some people. And maybe fix some people's attitudes. And yeah. So yeah. Well, I hope you all liked that. And yeah, I just wanted to let you all know about this. And yeah, that's it. I will see you all later. Bye.